morning everyone. Earlier we were studied about the rise of new kings and kingdom. Now we are going to study about the struggle for Kannauj, which is also known as tripartite struggle. Since the days of Harshvardhan, Kannauj was considered the symbol of power and sovereignty of North India. Opposition with Delhi was to acquire later. Control of Kannauj also implied the control of the fertile upper Gangetic Valley and its rich resources in trade and agriculture. The Palas, Pratiharas, and Rakshakutas competed for control over the Kannauj. That's why this struggle is uh, known as the tripartite struggle in the history. This struggle weakened all the three dynasties. Our next topic is the Rajputas. Rajputs was another group which played an important role in the history of medieval India. The Rajputs established kingdoms in different parts of northern India. The most important of these were the Parmaras of Malwa, Chauhans of Ajmer, Ghadarwalas of Kannauj, Chalukyas of Gujarat, and Tomars of Delhi. Most historians believe that the Rajput descended from Shakas, Kushnas, Huns, Gurjaras, and the Gonds. These Rajputs' kingdom frequently fought among themselves and they seldom joined hands together. The Rajputs were organized in different clans. They were brotherhood and equality among the clan members. At the same time, they were busy in fighting with the members of other clans. A lot of resources and energy were wasted in these fights. Most of the Rajput rulers were supported of Hindus, while some also patronized Jainism. The Rajputs were considered to be the Kshatriyas. They were divided into two Vansh, Chandravanshi and Suryavanshi, belonging to Moon's family and Sun's family respectively. They gave rich donation and land grant to the temples and Brahmanas. The Tomars established the city of Dhalika, which is known as Delhi at present. Meanwhile, other clans also began establishing new kingdoms. Our next topic is Peninsular India, that is the Pallavas of Kanchi. The Pallava dynasty ruled part of modern Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil. The Pallavas had their capital at Kanchi, which is also known as Kanchipuram. They had trade relationship with Southeast Asia and China. However, their frequent wars with the Chalukyas and other neighboring power weakened them. The Pallava rule declined by the end of the 9th century.